Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta macaroni cheese. First, let's get our pasta ready. You'll want to boil about 250 grams of macaroni in salted water until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes around 7 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain it well and set it aside. This simple step ensures your macaroni is just right for absorbing all that delicious cheesy goodness later on. Next, we'll start on our incredibly creamy cheese sauce. In a medium saucepan, melt about 30 grams of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 30 grams of all-purpose flour to form a smooth roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute, stirring continuously. This helps to cook out the raw flour taste and creates the essential base for a thick, luscious sauce. Now, let's build that rich flavor. Slowly pour in 500 milliliters of milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Continue to whisk as you bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. It will start to thicken beautifully. Once it's reached your desired consistency, remove it from the heat and stir in 200 grams of grated cheddar cheese until it's completely melted and wonderfully smooth. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for our easy macaroni cheese. Add your perfectly cooked and drained macaroni directly into the warm, creamy cheese sauce. Stir gently but thoroughly, making sure every single piece of pasta is beautifully coated in that rich, golden sauce. Serve it up immediately while it's hot and bubbly. Enjoy your comforting, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.